Today, we look at first glance of the Android release of the Adobe Premier Rush coming up on Split Second Tech. What is going on YouTube? Today's video is going to be a pretty quick one, but the time has finally come for Android users to be able to use Adobe software of Premier Rush. For those that don't know what Adobe Premier Rush is, it is a Adobe Premiere version built directly for your mobile phone, and it is crazy that we have phones powerful enough that they can be used as a solid and robust video editor. No matter if you're currently subscribed to Adobe CC or you just want to give it a try, you can head over to the Google Play and download the app. For those that are just wanting to try it out, you can create unlimited projects but are limited to 3 exports. Now please note that not all Android devices are supported yet, so if you don't see the app after you do a quick search in Google Play, your device is currently not supported. Some of the other cool features that come along with Adobe Premiere Rush is that it is cloud synced, meaning you can start a project on one device and later on pick it up on a completely separate device in Adobe Premiere Pro. It is also optimized for social media, so when you're uploading on different types of platforms, you can include your metadata, making SEO a snap. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to jump into the app and see what it's all about. For those content creators out there like myself, this could be a game changer as far as the amount of hardware that you have to bring while you're doing all of your video editing on the go. Question of the day: how do you guys feel about the Adobe Premiere Rush? Leave your answers in the comment section below the video. Be sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on this channel. We do a lot of how-tos, a lot of tutorials, and videos just like this one. I'll go ahead and link a couple over there on the right-hand side of the screen. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe, which you can do by clicking the subscribe button, boop, right over there. And of course, don't forget to enable the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any type of future content, and we will see you on the next one.